Hello everyone. Following your requests, we are going to make a series of tutorials for the PTE AV Studio Pro. As a reference, I will use version 10 of this program. In this short introductory chapter, we will introduce you to this program. First, what is the PTE program? PTE AV are the abbreviation of Photos to X Audio Video Studio. That is, this program allows you to assemble different photo, video and audio type elements, in the form of executable files, videos, and even in screensaver. Let's compare this program with others on the market. First, with Prosha Producer, one of the best-known photo-video editing programs. You should know that Photodex, the firm that markets Prosha, has definitely stopped the development of this program, and therefore, there will be no more updates or new features for this one. Prosha is known for its simplicity of editing, but has many features, as well as many, I would say, very many, ready-to-use styles, many of which can be found for free on the net. Let's compare it to PTE. The strengths of Prosha are the large possibilities of image modifications, the possibility of placing and editing very precisely the animation keys. For PTE, the modification of an image is relatively restricted, and the keys must be placed by eye, without the possibility of giving them an exact time. The strong points of PTE are the animation in real 3D. You can move your elements or objects in a virtual universe in real 3D. You can place as many audio tracks as you want, and mix them in the timeline on one or more tracks. Elements or groups of elements can be linked together, which allows fairly easy object creation and animation. For Prosha, there is number 3D. It can only be simulated by modifying the size of an object. The soundtracks are limited to one bass track, and one track per slide. Finally, all the elements are free, and cannot be attached to each other. You should therefore know that the creation in PTE will require a good logical mind, and a bit of 3D notion if you want to create advanced objects. Well, I told you that PTE allows you to create 3D animation. Yes, that's right. So let's compare it to a 3D program. There are many, like 3ds Max, for example, but the latter is reserved for programmers with a very good knowledge of 3D. So I will take a simpler program, such as a clone. In a clone, you can also make photo montages, using basic shapes to which you apply your images as a texture. Yes, then a clone largely beats PTE, but it requires much more work and knowledge than for PTE. The only downside for PTE is that it cannot determine if an object is in front or behind another, and whether it should be visible or not, and therefore we will have to design our project in ways to determine who will be in the foreground or behind another object. Here, if you are interested in creating videos with more or less advanced effects, PTE is an excellent tool for your creations. You can easily create your videos and even create screensavers with your own images and videos, to add a soundtrack to your liking. The tutorials that we are going to offer you will allow you to evolve step by step in the mastery of this program. And if you feel like it, create 3D effects with your images. Do not hesitate to support us by liking our videos, and by leaving your relevant comments. Katrina and Patrick.